Hello everyone! In this clip, we introduce a board game designed to make personal finance easier to understand. This game is called WealthyCats! A game that helps us understand finance through the balance sheet house. The goal is simple, to make yourself wealthier, meaning having the highest net worth when the game ends. The Wealthy Cat card is a special card. The player who opens this card can choose one lucky effect from the stack of 10 Wealthy Lucky cards. The effect of this card can only be used by the player who opened this card. The Lucky Cards category has 2 cards, the first prize lottery card, receiving 3 coins in cash immediately, and another card, the contest winner card, receiving 2 coins in cash as a prize. The Lucky Active Cards category, or Active Income card, is about being active in making money, such as the Active Production card and the Active Sales card. Choosing the Lucky Active Income card production grants the privilege to produce cookies immediately at 3 coins per dozen. You can produce from 1 up to 3 dozens. Choosing the Active Income card, Sales, grants the right to choose an order card to keep as a pre-order or sell immediately if cookies have already been produced in the inventory room. The Lucky Saver cards, or Passive Income Stream, has 2 cards, saving an emergency fund for emergencies while also getting a return. And the other card is putting in money for long-term investment with an attractive return. The Lucky Wealth Saver card also has 2 cards, the Discount on Basic Expense, and the other card is the Rat Cage Protecting Interest from borrowing money. The Basic Discount card helps us save 2 coins on the basic expense that must be paid at the start of the round, remaining only 3 coins in subsequent rounds until the end of the game. This interest waiver card is suitable for people who have loan cards in the basement or those who are about to borrow money, because it helps you to avoid paying interest for the rest of the game. The Lucky Candy card allows you to trick a friend into paying your candy expense of 2 coins for you. The Wealthy Lucky card that has been chosen will stay with the player throughout the game. There is no need to return it to the deck until the end of round 4.